This video is going to show how to find and match components in LiveBOM in OrCAD X Professional. LiveBOM is new functionality included in OrCAD X to analyze supply chain information and ensure that the components you select for your design will be reliably available when the design is ready to build. For an existing design, LiveBOM can be used to match generic components or replace obsolete components. Let's start by opening the LiveBOM interface. Open the provided design in OrCAD X Capture CIS. Right-click the design file in the Project Manager and select Add to Workspace. This will add your design to your workspace to access LiveBOM. Select Tools, LiveBOM from the menu. If you receive a prompt that the LiveBOM data must be regenerated before LiveBOM can be used, click OK, save the design file, then select Tools, LiveBOM from the menu again. The LiveBOM tab opens. The top of the window lists the part categories, including the complete list of parts, the unmatched parts, the unique parts, the parts with a manufacturer part number or MPN, the parts with no matching MPN, the parts at the end of their active life, the parts that are non-risk compliant, parts considered at risk, parts considered at high risk, and parts marked as obsolete. Select a category to turn its filter on or off. Below that is the BOM Health panel. This panel shows a letter grade for the design based on the number of parts matched, their availability, and their risk. The numbers of matched, unmatched, and at-risk parts are also shown. To the right of the BOM Health panel are a series of risk charts displaying availability, overall design risk, and life cycle. Scroll down to view the tables for high-risk parts, end-of-life parts, and inventory risk parts. Parts that are considered obsolete or could become unavailable in the near future are listed here. All at-risk parts can be viewed in the risk category. Let's replace the at-risk crystal Y1 with an active model. Select Risk from the top to view the list of at-risk parts. Select the row for Y1. Under Supply Risk in the Properties panel, the part is listed as May Not Be Available. This panel also shows general part information, reach or ROAS compliance, status, a plot of the market availability score over time, a minimum and maximum price for over a set time period, number of vendors with inventory, a plot of the vendors with inventory over time, and component-specific properties. No alternate parts are listed for this crystal, so you'll have to find a replacement manually. Select Search to search for an alternate part. Enter a description or search criteria for the desired component into the search field and press Enter. This example will search for crystal 16 MHz. Select the low-risk crystal from the listed parts. The Properties panel now shows a higher availability score and more distributors carrying the part. Select the plus sign for Replace MPN to replace the manufacturer part number. The part number columns are populated with the part information. The alternate parts are now populated as well, and this replacement is at much lower risk. To synchronize LiveBOM in the schematic, select Schematic Update at the top of LiveBOM to change the part number in the schematic. Next, let's take a look at the unmatched components. Two capacitors in this design do not have assigned manufacturer part numbers and therefore cannot be analyzed for risk. Let's match these with available parts. Select the No MPN button from the top. Two capacitors are listed, C3 and C4. All columns from MPN onward are listed as unmatched. Select capacitor C3. In the Search tab, enter the desired value for the capacitor into the search field and press Enter. In this case, we will search for and select a low-risk 22 picofarad capacitor. Select the plus sign for Replace MPN to replace the part number. The MPN columns for C3 are populated with the part information. Alternate parts are now listed. If any manufacturers list the part as discontinued or end of life, different colors are shown in the pie chart. Synchronize LiveBOM in the schematic by selecting the Schematic Update at the top of LiveBOM. Let's verify that the schematic has been updated. Select the tab for the schematic. In the project hierarchy, right-click the .dsn file and select Edit Object Properties. Locate C3. The manufacturer and manufacturer part number fields have been updated to reflect the part change. Manufacturer name and manufacturer part number fields can also be added within the schematic and synced with LiveBOM. To do this, hold Shift and select the cells for manufacturer name and manufacturer part number for C3. Click and drag to extend the manufacturer name and part number into the column for capacitor C4. Click Apply and close the Property Editor tab. With the design file selected in the Project Manager, select File, Save from the menu. In the LiveBOM tab, select Total to return to the full component list. Select Refresh to refresh the BOM. C3 and C4 are now listed with the same part number. If your design has other unmatched groups of components, repeat this process as needed. Quickly analyze supply chain risk, find suitable alternate parts, and guarantee purchasable components for your PCB designs with LiveBOM and OrCAD X. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.